Today we'll talk about how can you select quality on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do to select quality on your TeamViewer app. So you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you click here on quality here, you just click on it. When you just click here on quality, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then here can you select your quality here if you want to add automatic or optimize quality here or optimize speed. When you select it, you just click here on OK. So then automatically it's going to save with you here on your TeamViewer app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.